What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Disturbance Call Turns into Complete Nightmare. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
Following an EMS call for a possible overdose, but as they arrive, chaos is already unfolding outside, with people screaming in the yard, and what happens next takes an unexpected turn.
I don't worry about that. I got my own fucking life.
Yeah, but I'm not answering for it. Because I called 911.
What's the problem?
Well, they went to the show right here before I got here.
What's the problem?
Don't
Why are we
even
yelling?
start.
Because
Don't
we
even
can't,
start.
because it's family, that's why. That's why,
It's
it's
not
family.
because-
Is there somebody hurt or injured?
Yeah, go in there and look.
We don't need
Is
the
EMS
feds. We don't
in there?
need the
Yeah,
cops here.
they're right there.
We got the ambulance. She's awake. Y'all can leave.
No, we're not. And you better chill out.
Hey!
Why they got the attitude? All of them, like even the girl. Isn't she the one that said I called 911?
I don't worry about that. I got my own fucking life.
Yeah, but I'm not answering for it. Because I called 911.
What's the problem?
Well, they went to the show right here before I got here.
What's the problem?
Don't
Why are we
even
yelling?
start.
Because
Don't
we
even
can't,
start.
because it's family, that's why. That's why, it's
No,
family.
Is there somebody hurt or injured?
Yeah, go in there and look.
We don't need
Is
the feds.
EMS
We don't
in
need the
Yeah,
cops here.
they're right there.
We got the ambulance. She's awake. Y'all can leave.
No, we're not. And you better chill out before I take you to jail.
For what?
Chris, stop.
For what?
For
what?
disorderly conduct, and I'll start with that.
I ain't fucking drunk. I ain't been drinking.
Did I say anything? Drink, don't get in my way.
Then
I'll
what?
take you too.
You're on my property. It's private
Huh?
property. We didn't call you. We called an ambulance.
Ambulance called for us.
Okay, well, you're
So
not
you
going to get
can quit
loud with me on
disturbing
my
the
property.
peace.
What peace? Because you're on my
This is
property.
my fucking yard.
Chris,
My fucking yard.
put him in the truck.
No, I got recording now.
1033
Disorderly
late.
conduct.
Send me a
Get in
couple
the
more
truck.
units.
Disorderly
Get in
conduct
the
me.
truck.
For what? Me being on my fucking property?
You're screaming, you're hollering, I ask you to calm you down.
Woo! I can scream on my
No,
fucking
you're not.
property.
Yes, this
If
is my
you're disturbing other
private
people.
property. This is private
So-
property.
Fucked up. I know my laws, buddy.
You're going to go to jail in
You're
about 2
gonna- you're
seconds.
gonna come
EMS
get
is
me.
dealing with you.
Yes.
Then tell him to quiet down and I can go.
Up into your fucking job. Shut the fuck up into your
I'm
job.
trying. But I'm fixing to take everybody.
Freedom of speech, buddy. I'm recording, by the way.
I
What's
don't
your name?
care.
What's your badge number? What's your name? What's your
Sergeant
badge number?
Hart, and we don't have badge numbers.
What's your badge number?
You see a number on that star?
There used to be.
No, there's never been a number
Then
on them
arrest me
stars.
if I'm disorderly conduct.
So-
There used to be a little.
Arrest me if I'm
your name
disorderly
tags
conduct.
sometimes what they used to
Got
have
me
them back in
fucked
the
up. I
day.
know my fucking laws.
Been around here for 36
Okay,
years.
for
I've been around
one,
here for 34.
I'm not getting loud with you, or I'm not getting nasty
Right.
with you, so you don't need to do it with
Got me
me.
fucked
I'm
up.
trying to
I know
help
my
out here,
fucking
Go
laws.
but
help
y'all
them
are.
out. Because
You
this is a
better chill
family
out.
thing.
Yeah.
If he doesn't chill out, he's
This
going
is
to go.
a family thing,
Tell
and
me,
you're
come
on.
on.
Chris, shut
I
the
know my
fuck
fucking
up.
laws.
Shut the fuck
What are
up.
you arresting me for? What am I?
She did start off with the attitude. I ain't gonna lie, but now that he talking about, well, I'm gonna start locking motherfuckers up. Now she toned it way down. Boop. Yeah, she started off with the nasty attitude, but she got it together though. She got it together now.
To be arrested for?
You haven't done anything
Tell me.
illegal, Chris.
Tell me.
Stop.
Tell the camera. Tell Facebook
I
Live right now.
told you, you're
Tell
going to go to
Facebook
jail
Live right
for
now,
breach
buddy.
of peace.
Tell that what peace?
Chris?
Hey, I don't got my fucking neighbors for miles, mother. Tell me.
Put him in the truck.
I'm not touching Chris. He's a
Put him in the truck. If
I
you put
know
him in
my
the truck,
fucking
y'all
laws,
will never
buddy.
be allowed on my property
I
again.
know my fucking laws.
No, he will not. Put him in the fucking truck. Get
And
in
I
the
finished.
Get in the truck.
Motherfucker.
Get in the truck.
No, fuck that.
No, get in the
I'm
fucking
on my
truck.
property.
I don't care. My
That's my mother too.
Yeah,
I
Chris.
saved her life.
yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I'm fucking shaking just like you are. Can you please
Leave me the
step
fuck
back?
alone.
I ain't going nowhere.
Officer, there's no reason.
If
I
he
want to talk
calms
to your
down-
lieutenant.
I want
You
your
got me
lieutenant
right
here.
now.
No, I want your lieutenant here
You
because I
got
know
me.
my
Get
laws.
That video going.
I know my
So-
laws.
The video is going. The video has not stopped.
I want to talk to your lieutenant.
Tell me where I got several unruly subjects.
We're not unruly. You came onto my property.
Because
and you,
I was
hold on,
called
you're gonna
here.
let me talk. Because
Because
I'm not
I was
being rude
called
to
here.
you. I'm not being rude
I
to
was
you. And
called
you're gonna
here.
let me talk because I'm the one screaming at him.
Called
Okay,
here.
I'm the one
You
screaming
don't have
at him.
permission to be on my property. I want you off my property. I do not want you here. Go off
Chris,
my
if you don't
property.
stop, they're gonna fucking
Off my
You're
property.
fixing to go to jail.
For what? Off
Like
my
I
property.
said, you're fixing
Off
to
my
go to jail.
property.
You're fixing to go to jail
We know
for
our laws.
interfering.
Buddy,
We
I
know
got
our laws. There ain't
bond money.
nobody.
Take me to jail.
There ain't
Okay.
nobody
Take me
interfering
to
with
jail.
nothing. We know our laws.
Right now, you're interfering because you're not in there doing your fucking job.
My mom's in there with fucking, and you're not in there at all doing
So
your
go
job.
in there and do your fucking job.
I want the
before I
lieutenant
have you
here.
fucking taken off my fucking property.
I want the lieutenant here, and I want him here now. I know my laws. I want the lieutenant
So if
here.
I'm gonna be arrested,
And
go
if
ahead
you can't,
and
then
arrest
you need to
me.
call
You gotta
him.
calm down.
Or what?
I've asked you several times.
No,
I don't
you
care.
came
I'm
out
asking
here
you to
being
get
rude
the
to
fuck off my
us.
property.
Can you
I've
please
never
move him
been
out
rude.
from us?
Get off my
Because
property.
in order for him to stop,
I want him
y'all
off my
have to
property
back up
now.
a little bit.
That's not how this is gonna work.
It's gonna have to. It's gonna work.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What's your badge number? What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
Never mind. No. He's not a problem. Sorry. You're not a problem. I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah, go talk to him over there because obviously this guy right here is fucking being a dick. Can y'all please step forward that way more?
Yeah.
Can y'all please step?
Again.
Yeah. Can y'all please step that way a little bit more? Because this
She's
guy's
in the
giving us
house.
a
EMS
problem.
is taking care of her, but I pull up, he's screaming and hollering and so forth. And he doesn't want to
Hey,
calm down.
can you please
He
show
just
the
continues
ambulance
to
if
holler
these
and
cops will
scream.
not show the ambulance nothing? Can you show them where my house, the inside of my house, please? Can you show them where to go since they're not helping nothing? Thank you. Because I'm talking to you respectful and you're being a fucking asshole to me for no fucking reason. And I'm
What have I
sitting here
been an
talking to
asshole?
you.
I don't feel safe
You
anymore.
want to see the camera?
I don't want you
It's
on my
all
property.
recorded right there too. When I
No.
pull up here and
You
they're
can drug
screaming
test
and
me right now. I
hollering,
don't fucking do drugs.
EMS
I
is
smoke
not going
weed.
to come in
I'm
here.
far against that shit. I'm trying to get my mom clean, and it's so fucking hard to get somebody clean when they don't want to get clean.
I understand that.
This is the second time that I've had to call 911 because she likes to call people up and bring shit here. And I have to deal with this. I work 2 jobs. Like, I'm fucking struggling as is. I'm stressed the fuck out.
I mean, we're here. We know
I
what's going
understand that, okay? I don't know what you're feeling, but I understand that,
I'm
okay?
feeling stressed. I'm feeling like the
Come
weight
here.
of the world.
Come here a minute. Come here.
on. They should have been prepared. They should have been
Come
on their top of their shit instead of, oh.
And nobody fucking
couple deep
understands
breaths.
nothing.
Take a couple of deep breaths.
I'm doing this my self.
I understand.
Hey, I feel that, you know, when life start lifing, boy, it's yo, your chest get heavy, boy. You know, that's what life's about. Life's about ups and downs. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gonna have some highs, you know what I'm saying? Then you gonna have some lows, like some rock bottom lows. You know what I mean? And when you at your low point, boy, that's when you see who around you, who for you. And you know, it seemed like she definitely going through a lot, you know what I mean? But there's gonna be brighter days, you know what I'm saying? It's unfortunate that her mom has an addiction. But the thing is with addiction, you can only do so much. If they don't want to change, let them be. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't ruin your life worried about another, you know, adult. You know what I'm saying? There's only so much that you can do. There's only so much that you can do. When they're tired, when they're fed up, they're going to change. Until then, it is what it is. You know, you got to love them from afar.
Understand that. And it's hard. Okay?
As long as Lindsay's not here.
But at the same time, I can't allow EMS to come on scene until things are calm.
And I'm trying to calm him down, and you're
I
just routing
observed
us up,
that.
dude.
Last time he was here, he punched
I'm
my mom.
trying to
But
route
I'm not
him
going to
down.
back down when he's sitting there screaming and hollering at you and
No, you have to
everybody
give him
else.
a second. Everybody needs a second in their life. When you were
I've tried
young,
that,
you
but
needed a second, right?
I need a second all the time, just like
Okay,
you.
then. When I
All
say
right.
please back up, can you please back up? That means
Did I
give me a
move
second.
forward? No, I didn't move forward.
Yes, you did, dude.
Okay?
Yes, you did move
All
forward.
right.
Because I had to step
It's
in
been a
between y'all
problem
from
with him
over
since he got
there.
here.
So,
I want him removed off my property. I do not feel safe with him on my fucking property.
Here
Or
we go
what?
with the BS again.
Or what?
Here he come.
Or what? I stopped right in here. What are you gonna do? The fuck are you gonna do? Or what? Get him off my
Just
fucking
you.
property.
Just stop,
This is
stop,
my property.
stop.
I got the right to be
Listen,
anywhere.
if you
I
don't
fucking
talk
want
to
you to be on
him,
this
he
guy's
talk
property.
back to you. If y'all give
Do
me
y'all
a
pay my
second to calm
bills?
him down,
Neither one of
then
y'all
he
pay
would
my
calm
bills,
down.
do
back
y'all?
up.
No, get the fuck off my property, dude.
If y'all give
better
me a
back
second
up.
to calm him down, then he
You're
would
under
be
arrest.
calm.
Let's go.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
on.
Don't get involved. Don't get involved.
Don't taser him. I
I'm
swear to
not.
God.
Come on, just step away.
Get
Step
off me.
away.
Get off me, because I have.
Step away. Just step away. Okay? Let's go check on your mama.
You get off my property.
I'm not leaving anywhere.
We're not going nowhere. So come on.
Calm down.
Stand by.
We're gonna go arrest him.
Stop pulling me backwards!
What's your name?
I done told you, Sergeant
I'm
Hart.
not fucking resisting here.
He's not resisting at all. He has not tried anything or anything.
No, but y'all arrested me for what?
Where are you
And
arresting
what?
me?
what's the charges?
I'm gonna have your fucking job. I'm gonna have your fucking job or your fucking job.
No, hold on.
No, for what? I'm not under arrest. We break the law.
This one,
Hey, give me his wallet. Give me his wallet. You're touching me and you're not a female.
You're
So get
touching
off.
me.
I'm not touching you.
All right, you go to jail.
No, I'm not. I'm listening to you.
You're under arrest for battery on a Leo.
For battery on a Leo? Oh, damn. That's extreme. But I would have said like, I would have put like maybe interference with investigation or something like that. Cause she or you know, stopping movement. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. You know what I'm saying? Battery on a Leo, that's a bit extreme. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not touching you.
All right, you go to jail.
No, I'm not. I'm listening to you.
You're under arrest for battery on a Leo.
I didn't touch you.
Yes, you did. You
I didn't push you. I'm listening to you. I promise.
You gonna go to jail
No,
for
I
battery on a Leo?
don't. I
You gonna
don't.
calm down?
Yes.
Then calm down, okay? You're
just
breach-
arresting him for what?
He's going to jail for obstruction of breach of peace. We're sitting here trying to take care of your mother, and he won't shut up, and he keeps going on.
Okay,
so
I'm
that's
sorry.
what's going to happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
And if you wouldn't have just pushed,
She said, yes, sir. She a 10 hut. Yeah, she turned into Cadet Kelly real quick, boy. Yeah, act right. Before you get locked up too. You want to step in when we trying to deal with him? You trying to step in the middle and this and that? Oh, yeah. You better, yes, sir. Yeah, you act right, boy.
be back trying to get to your brother.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
You can't go to jail for
No,
battery
I
on a
don't wanna
Leo
go to
right
jail.
now.
I'm sorry. I'm listening to
Okay?
you. Yes, let
There
go
you
of me.
go.
Please let go of me.
You
I'm
let
going to
go
go
of her. I
stand
got
over
it.
there because you're
No,
hurting me.
listen,
Well,
ma'am.
fat
I guess you just put the
Oh, nah. She snatching
He's
phones?
twisting
Oh,
my
yeah.
arm.
You out of here.
Nope.
You out of here.
No, please don't take me to jail.
I gave you a
No,
chance.
You outta here.
Please, please, please.
You out of here. You out of here. What? You gonna snatch the phone? Oh, yeah.
I'm going to go stand over
After
there
he gave you a
'cause you're
chance?
hurting me.
Listen,
Well,
ma'am.
fat
What?
Just put the
Oh, act
listen.
right. We gonna get you
He's
together.
twisting my arm.
We gonna get you together.
Nope.
No, please don't take me to jail.
I
Yep.
gave you a
No,
chance.
okay, I promise. Please,
Yep.
please. I'll get
Nah,
you down on the ground.
nah.
Please,
They gave you a
I'm
chance.
begging you, please don't take me to jail.
Yep.
Please don't
It
take
just wouldn't work.
No, I'm sorry. Please don't take me to jail. Please don't take me to jail. Listen.
You shouldn't have snatched from him.
I'm sorry.
That's battery again.
I'm so sorry. Please, I will listen to you. Okay, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
yeah. Got her
You're late
together.
for that.
No,
I
listen
gave
to
you
me.
a second chance.
Okay, I promise.
I gave you a second
No.
chance, and what did you do?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I ripped away from you.
No.
I ripped my phone out of
You
his
grabbed his hand out.
I
That's
just
right.
ripped my phone out of his
We
hand.
were trying to give you a chance.
Okay, please give me it. My
But
brother
you
said-
didn't wanna do it.
I don't have nobody else.
Savannah was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and had a bond of $5,000. The case status is currently unknown.
Got her together. Ain't that something? You fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me a third time, man, there ain't gonna be no third time. Boy, what? You crazy there? You gonna be locked up, boy. You got me fucked up. Yeah, act right. Get her together. Get her together. She what? Yeah, that was a good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm giving them officers a 4. They get a 4 out of 5 from me, boy. Yeah. Get her together.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.